In Africa.
Hi good people, I'm Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. Today we have a beautiful young lady. She's going to introduce herself and tell us what we're going to do for today. You're welcome to Eating the African Way.
Thank you. Hi beautiful people, what's good? I'm Namakaza Patricia, the Ghetto Queen from the Ghetto Kids. And I'm so happy, guess what? Today we are cooking the African way with me. So you guys, it's gonna be very interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna be there in the kitchen. Some of you guys be like, can that girl cook? So today you're gonna watch me cook.
Patricia, which ingredients are we going to use?
Actually, we're going to use onions, obviously. We're going to use tomatoes. We have green pepper. We have this garlic. We have greens. We have carrots, and then
We have curry powder.
Yeah, cooking oil and other stuff that we're going to put in.
Thank you so much. If you're new here, please subscribe and keep this channel open as we learn, cook and eat the African way.
Yeah.
In Africa.
Guess what? In our rice we put onion, carrots, some little bit of cooking oil, and then salt with water. So we wait and see what comes out. I'm cooking, you know me, I'm a vegetarian, so I'm cooking my own food, but also when the owner who was cooking meat was cooking, I just hopped and tested the meat because I wanted to see if it's ready. So it's ready, even also the meat is ready, but I'm a vegetarian, so I have to prepare my food as well. So the meat has to go away for now because I've already tested it, it's already ready. But you have to note the other one that I'm a what? I'm a vegetarian. So this is our camonde. We are going to cook it. Our Irish, like she's cooking for me, as I told you, I'm a vegetarian. So I have to eat. We have to. She's also no. Sorry, I forgot. You know, we ate the meat together, so I forgot. I forgotten whether she is. But me, I'm a vegetarian. And we are going to cook bumonde for everybody. So guys, keep watching. The process is still going to the end. We love you. Keep subscribing. Don't forget. Ring the bell. Bye. Keep what? Keep subscribe.
You're vegetarian.
So yes. But vegetarian eats Irish. Like, I thought we are cooking this food for me with a vegetarian.
Yo, for you?
Me, the vegetarian,
Yeah,
the meat
you,
eater. Yes.
are done with our meal, and today we decided to feed the next generation, our next leaders. And on my side is, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Kavama Dauda, manager Triplets Ghetto Kids, Inspire Ghetto Kids. We're here in Machije Kalani Zone, Kulekana, with these kids. Yeah, some of them are orphans, others are from disadvantaged families, and others they have mother, father, but they can't. Sometimes it is not easy to take care of them. So we always decide to come over here and give them some food, clothes. So as we are here today, thanks for the meal.
You're welcome. Yeah. I was wondering, how do you survive throughout the week, the month, or the year? How do you do it?
Yeah, usually it's by the grace of God, by the love of God and support from different people. So we try to get food and we feed them. So I can say it's by grace of God and support from people, and then the little I have to feed the kids. But it is not easy, since now we are in this era whereby situation, we are in a lockdown because of COVID-19. So the things are not well on our side, but we try our best.
So how much do you think each child can feed on? How much per day?
Yeah, per day, I can say around maybe it can be $1.
That's $1 each day.
Yeah, each day. That is 3,000. This kid.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is so interesting. You know, we spend a lot every day. Like someone can spend $100 plus, but in Africa, $1 you can survive on $1.
Yeah, a day.
Wow, this is so interesting.
Yeah.
And if you're there and you would like to support these kids, please, I'll drop the contact in my description box. Feel free to share what you feel like, anything you would like to offer, or this is your day. You can serve the Lord through this. Please, any last word, any last message?
Yeah, I would like to thank Nicholas here. Thank you so much for the big heart and the people you're working with. Thank you so much. Yeah, to spare this small you have and feed these kids. Yeah, they are very happy. Yeah, they have taken time long without eating meat. So we've been feeding on beans and then kaunga, that is kaunga posho.
Portion.
Yeah, so at least today is like a Christmas to them, and then a soda. Thank you so much, and I would like to urge you to the people there, please, giving is by heart, not like you have a lot of money. Yeah, please, and always go watch our videos on our YouTube channel, Triplets Ghetto Kids, and then keep on subscribing on this channel too. May God bless you, keep you alive, keep you safe in this COVID-19. Stay safe, inshallah, for God and my country, Uganda.
Thank you for keeping yourself on eating the African way. You have seen what we went through all that day, and if you're new here, please subscribe and keep this channel open as we learn, cook and eat the African way. We shall be back.